This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Tesla Model S side mirror. First, ensure your front window glass is fully lowered. Next, you'll need to remove the interior door trim panel. This involves locating and removing any hidden screws, often a 10mm hex bolt and a Torx screw. Then, gently pry the panel away from the door using a plastic trim tool to release the retaining clips, being careful not to damage the paint or trim. With the door panel carefully set aside, your next step is to address the electrical connections. Find the main wiring harness that powers the mirror and disconnect it. There's usually a clip holding this harness to the door, so release that as well. You may also need to gently release 2 clips on the flap seal to gain full access to the mirror's mounting points, ensuring no components are damaged. Now it's time to physically remove the mirror assembly. You will find 3 10mm bolts holding it in place. Remove these carefully. The bolts should be torqued to 15 Nm or about 11.1 pound-feet during reinstallation. Once the bolts are out, gently lift the entire mirror and quarter glass assembly upwards and away from the door, guiding the electrical harness through the opening. To reinstall your side mirror, simply reverse these steps. Ensure the electrical harness is properly routed and securely connected before mounting the mirror assembly with its 3 bolts. Torque these bolts to 15 Nm. Double-check that all clips on the door panel and window seal are properly engaged. Finally, test the mirror's adjustments and the window's smooth operation before completing the reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.